Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Audible membership on computer. So I'm logged into my Audible account on Google Chrome and basically go up to here to Hi Andrew or Hi Your Name and then go down to Account Details, click in there. And then from there, there's this bar right here. It says switch membership, pause membership, or cancel membership. Obviously press pause membership and it says take a pause payments and access to benefits like new credits and included titles, but keep your credits until they expire. And you can learn more about pausing your membership from within here. And it actually gives us the option to pause for 90 days by pressing this orange button. However, if you press no thanks and then go to cancel membership, and then from there, it gives us the option to pause the membership again, press that, and now we've got more options in terms of how long we actually want to pause the membership for. So you can do it for 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days from there. And once you're ready, press pause membership, complete the next steps, and your membership will be paused on Audible. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.